Dear students, myself Professor V.S. Kale, Head and Vice Principal, Department of Electronic Science, KTHM College, Nasik. Member of Academic Faculty and BOS, SPPU Pune, will see about the choice-based credit system, in short CBCS. The outline of presentation, present and new educational system, introduction of CBCS, UGC guidelines, course structure of CBCS, examination and evaluation, grading system and computation of grade point, prospectus of CBCS. The present system is, that is National Knowledge Commission NKC, teacher-centric approach, no interdisciplinary mobility, lack of multidisciplinary, close isolated environment, lack of choices for students, no scope to introduce latest knowledge in the curriculum, no opportunity to the learner to walk out and walk in to earn a certification, learning goal of the course and learning objective of the units are not tested. Let us see about the new education policy, that is NEP. Human Resource Development HRD Government of India introduced it. They reform Indian education system. University Grant Commission participates more actively in developing NEP. The UGC has already initiated several steps to bring equity, efficiency and academic excellence in national higher education system. Semester system to match students with international educational pattern. See about the CBCS, an approach in which the student can take courses of their choices, learn at their own pace, undergo additional courses, acquire more than the required credits, and adopt an interdisciplinary approach to learning. Transformation forms the traditional teacher-centered education to student-centered education. CBCS provide greater flexibility with multiple exits, multiple pathway, vertical mobility. An internationally acknowledged system, it is interdisciplinary, intradisciplinary and skill-based courses. Outline of CBCS structure, it contains core courses, compulsory learn by learner, elective course, very specific or specialized or advanced or supportive to the discipline, discipline specific elective, in short DSC course, dissertation, project, generic elective GE courses unrelated to discipline. Third point is ability enhancement courses, that is AEC, ability enhancement compulsory courses and skill enhancement courses. Objective of CBCS, the main objectives are to provide broad-based education, to provide students with greater flexibility in choice of courses, to provide students multidisciplinary curriculum, to enable students to choose courses at basic, advanced learner level, interdisciplinary, to enable students to acquire job-oriented skills, to enable students to progress at their own pace, to enable highly motivated students gain extra credit, and to bridge the gap between professional and social exposure to provide a holistic education. Learning by earning credit, credit offer flexibility of learning at one's own pace. Credit can be earned in a shorter or expanded period depending upon the capacity of the learner. Provision of transfer of credit in a facility for students to move from one branch to another. In interdisciplinary courses, credit can be earned by taking courses across departments and institutions. All activities are taken into account Learner autonomy is there, allows learner to choose according to own learning needs, interest, and aptitudes. Significance of grading in CBCS: moving away from numerical marking to grading. Grading provides a more realistic assessment of the learner. Disgrace of fail is minimized in grading. Relative grading provides possibilities of placing student in comparable categories regardless of their relative achievement in different subjects. The grading system is considered better and desirable because this will facilitate student mobility across institution within the country and across other countries, and also enable potential employers to assess the performance of students. These are the significance of CBCS. Keywords used in CBCS: choice based credit system. CBCS provide choice for student to select from the prescribed courses, core, elective, or skill based courses. All courses need not carry the same weight. The courses should define learning objectives and learning outcome. A course may be designed to compromise lectures, tutorials, laboratory work, field work, outreach activities, project work, vocational training, viva, seminar, assignments, presentations, self-study, etc. All these combinations can be used. Credit point: it is the product of grade point and number of credit for a course. Grade point: it is numerical weight allotted to each letter grade on a 10 point. Letter grade: it is an index of the performance of student in a said course. Grades are denoted by letters O, A plus, A, B plus, B, C, like this. Semester grade point average, in short SGPA, a measure of performance in a semester. It is the ratio of total credit point secured by students in various courses registered in a semester and the total course credit taken during that semester. It shall be expressed up to 2 decimal places. Semester is 15 to 18 week of academic work equivalent to 90 actual teaching days. Transcript or grade card or certificate based on the grades earned. A grade certificate shall be issued to all the registered students after every semester. These are the different keywords. Let us see about the CBCS in a nutshell. Choice based, semester, assessment, credit, and finally grading is there. Here multiple choices, clear out identification of duration of teacher learner engagement. Assessment is continuous and comprehensive assessment. Credit give due weightage in terms of number of instructional hours per week, and grading is transformation of actual marks secured by a student in terms of letter grade. Examination and assessment: the UGC recommends awarding the grade and CGPA under the credit based semester system. The UGC recommends a 10-point grading system with letter grades. Examination internal and external. Internal and external: for 50 marks, 15 marks internal, 35 marks external. Minimum passing is of 20 marks. Internal 15, passing is of 6 marks. Minimum 2 tests, at least 1 written test of 10 marks. Other includes seminar, viva, project, field work, surveys, assignment, group discussion, tutorial. University examination of 35 marks, minimum 40 marks for passing. Duration is of 2 hours. Question 1 is compulsory for 5 marks. Question 2 to question 6, solve any 3, each of 10 marks. Practical examination, internal, journal, attendance, some activity plus performance. Examination at the end of year, journal compulsory. Experiment duration 3 hours, 2 experts, 2 examiners. ATKT 50% credit, FY to SY and SY to TY. Structure of CBCS, here semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each semester is consisting of core compulsory theory papers as well as practicals. Theory papers credits are 2 plus 2 and practical 1.5, so total is 5.5. So each student is offering 4 subjects, so the semester will be total of 22 credit. Same thing will happen for second semester. For third semester, theory, each theory credit 2 plus 2 and practical is of 2 credit, so total 6, and student is offering 3 subjects, so total is again 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and then ability enhancement is for 1 and 2, those are of 2 plus 2, that is 4 credit, so 18 plus 4, that is 22 credit. Same pattern for semester 4. Semester 5th and 6th, here DSEC 1 to 3, each is of 2 credit, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6, and multiplied by 3, that comes as an 18. And skill enhancement, again 1 and 2 of 2 plus 2 credit, so those are 4, so total is again 22 credit. Same pattern is for semester 6th. Total of all these semesters, 22 multiplied by 6 semesters, that is 132 credits are to be achieved. In addition to that, there are additional 8 credits from these groups G1 to G9. G1 is physical education, 1 credit. Sports at college level, 1 credit. At university or state level, 2 credit. G3 contain NSS, NCC. Again, these are indicating the credits of it. G4 is Avishkar participation. At college level, university level or state level, different credits are shown. G5 research papers. G6 short term course. G7 is scientific or social survey. G8 is field or industrial visit, study tour. G9 is online certificate courses. Durations and their grades are shown in this. The letter grade and grade points marks obtained, the ranges are shown. Corresponding to the ranges, letter which is to be used, that is shown here. O for outstanding, A plus is excellent, A is very good, B plus good, B is above average, these. And corresponding to the letter, grade points are shown 9, 8 and last one is 4 for passing, and below that 0 for fail and absent. Computation of SGPA and CGPA, the UGC recommends semester grade point average SGPA and cumulative grade point average CGPA. The SGPA is the ratio of sum of product of the number of credit with the grade points scored by a student in all the courses taken by the student and the sum of the number of credits of all the courses undergone by the students. SGPA SI, that is equal to summation of CI multiplied by GI whole divided by summation of total credit CI. One illustration is shown here. Courses are from 1 to 8. Total credits to each course is shown. Total is of 25. Grade letters which is scored A, C, B, those are shown, and according to this the grade points are 8, 6 like this. The credit point credit multiplied by grade point, those are calculated here. Their total is of 174. Thus SGPA is 174 divided by 25, that comes as an 6.96. The CGPA is also calculated in the same manner, taking into account all the courses undergone by a student over all the semesters of the program. So CGPA is summation of CI multiplied by SI whole divided by summation of total credits CI. The SGPA and CGPA shall be rounded off to 2 decimal points and reported in the transcripts. Computation of SGPA is shown similar way. Semester 1, semester 2 like this. C1, C2, these are shown electives. Credits are shown, grade later, grade point, calculations, total, and this is SGPA of semester 1. Similarly, we can calculate of semester 2, 3. So here example is shown of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CGPA is calculated taking here addition of all these and divided by total credits, that is 140, that comes as an 7.71. Thank you very much.